This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by the Scroggins team. Well-maintained 3-bedroom 1-bath ranch on a 0.85-acre lot. Bedrooms have original restored hardwood floors. The updated kitchen includes new stainless steel appliances, new backsplash and laminate flooring. The living room has new laminate flooring, and crown molding. Large fenced-in backyard, newer windows, rear deck, fire pit, garden area, laundry area in garage, washer and dryer are new and included in the sale. Conveniently located on Bloomington's south side, just minutes from Lake Monroe. Enjoy country living with all the amenities. Garden, have pets and enjoy the peaceful setting. For more information, review the details below.